Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vaishali and you're watching my channel Vaishali Official. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how the turmeric uses in different ways. There are 5 steps. Before that guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So first step is how to use whiten your teeth. So what all you have to use in this? You know, turmeric is everything is in a home we use for the cooking and all, and it is has antibiotic septic also. So first of all, you take a toothpaste and then while you're brushing you have to add a little bit of pinch of turmeric in this, and then you have to brush. If you take too much, your teeth will be yellowish. So second step is, if your under eye area getting black and all, you have to add little bit of aloe vera gel, and then you have to take a little bit and then you have to add a pinch of this. Mix it very well and then you have to apply to your under eye areas. With this, your under eye area will be reduced, dark spot also will go from there, and also it will look a little bit of lighten to your under eye area. Then third step is what has to do, if your lips are too dry and it look like a darkish and all, then you have to take a little bit of honey, how much you want for your lips. So in that you have to add little bit of turmeric powder, and then you have to mix it very well, and then you have to apply it to your lips. It won't be yellowish, your lips will be lightened and it look smoother and healthy also. Then fourth is, if you are getting cough and cold, so you have to add a milk in this, little pinch of turmeric, and then you have to drink. If you have too much cold, then you can add honey also and mix it and drink it. And last step is fifth one, if you want a foundation little bit dark, I'm going to show you how it is. So I'm going to add here a little bit and here also. Then you have to take a little bit of turmeric. I'm going to add one side, one drop I'll go to add, and you see the difference of this and this foundation. This look like a little bit of yellowish. Some are used to like to use yellowish and darker foundation. One side I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to add light foundation to another cheek. If you don't want a darker foundation, you can use lighter foundation also. So I'm going to show this. Whoever using darker foundation, you can add a little bit of turmeric and then you can apply to your face for your foundation. These are the 5 steps. If you use this daily, then you will be going to habit your daily habit, and also it will be cure and heal your all sickness from the turmeric. So guys, if you want a best result, please follow this 5 steps. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.